guys, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. Well, here is the much anticipated video on the Dollar General clearance event that will be taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So from the 29th to 31st, get out to the Dollar General because my goodness gracious, so much stuff on clearance. So the last time that they had one of these events that it was happening throughout most of the United States was last August. So it has been a minute since they had this for us, and hopefully this one, most stores are participating and you have a very, there's a good amount of items in the clearance section. Just going through this again, it's from the Friday to Sunday. So from the 29th to 31st. On Sunday the 31st, we're getting a new P&G. So some of these items, if you're finding them and you don't have a coupon, perhaps digitals will show up on that Sunday morning. 50% off of the clearance section merchandise. So if an item is $4, on Friday, it's going to start popping for $2. If you have a $2 manufacturer coupon, well, you can see that you're going to get that item for free. How wonderful is that? Okay, and often with this sale, they will pull out bins of old items and stuff just specifically for clearance, and possibly there might be a lot of pennies in there. Sometimes on Friday, just stuff will show up. They'll pull it out from the back and it's like, wow, what's that, Also, there's going to be more items that are part of the regular line of merchandise that will be on clearance as well. So as Friday unfolds, we'll have more information. And also, let's not forget, Sunday with the new P&G, there will be new digitals. So if you want to wait, you may do that. Stuff might be cleared, but just a different way to think about it. If there's some stuff that, you're thinking, I'd really like it, but I don't have a digital coupon or a manufacturer. Possibly on Sunday, something might pop up for you. And, look high and low in the clearance section, or sometimes at the front of the store, they'll have like displays and tables of stuff, depending, if they have a lot of staff or a lot of time to get ready for this event. But yeah, you're going to have to look high and low in the clearance section. And sometimes you can have a lot of luck and get a lot of merchandise for like next to nothing. And that is the beauty and magic of this. It does take a little bit of patience and a little bit of time, so you got to invest a bit of both. But if you can do this properly, I mean, it's just a terrific event. And just to show you the last time this came around, because I know a lot of you are skeptical or you're like, this will not work. I mean, many little transactions to get it for 9 cents, and I broke this basket up into a couple transactions. That's the power of it. And I just love this event to get stuff for next to nothing, and 9 cents for some of this stuff. Absolutely. Now, I have a video I'll leave in the notes and at the end. It's how to use the Dollar General app with the most amount of success. If you're really new to this or you're not sure how to use the DG app, it's a very easy tutorial I made. Go and check it out. I will leave it in the notes along with at the end of the video. And it just shows you how to use the app and how to see what prices are coming up and so on and so forth. And if you want to put this video on a television so you can scan at home or play it on, your computer or an iPad so you can scan with your telephone with the Dollar General app, that might be something to do just so you can load the digital coupons that I will be showing you in this video. Now, as many of you know, I think Saturday, there have been a lot of issues where items have been ringing up for 0.00. And today, this item has pennied out, and it's ringing up for that goofy price point. So I'm not sure if they're trying to deter people from finding pennies or they're trying to take them out of the system. I'm speculating, of course, but this is the goofy, it used to be 1 penny, which was very easy to find penny items. But now it's this goofy 0.00, and I don't fully understand that. Maybe it'll change, but the app was not working for 4 or 5 days, so it was super frustrating. Any item that you were scanning in the clearance section was ringing up with this 0.00, but it was in fact ringing up for the sticker price. So if some item was say $4, it would be $4 at checkout with this very weird message. So we'll have to keep an eye out on this. If this happens to you, just be mindful that it might be a bug in the app. Okay, without further ado, let's look at some clearance merchandise. So the first item is this chic pivot ball razor. So there is the UPC if you want to scan it in the app. There's both a men and a ladies, so it is your choice. Look at the amount at this one store. I think this is a razor that everybody absolutely hates. And here is the UPC. I mean, it's a lot right there. And there is actually a digital coupon right now that's working with this, and that will give you some overage. And there it is, top right-hand corner. Grabbing one of those on Friday, it's going to start ringing up for $2.40, 50% off. Boom. So $2.40, subtracting that $3 digital, it makes it free plus 30 cents of overage. The next item that we have is from the Christmas line. It's this one. It's called Essential Woodland Magic, whatever. This guy is 10 cents. But yet it's with the regular clearance stuff. I noticed that a lot of this scent care stuff, it would just get mixed up in the clearance aisle. So look for stuff high and low. Anyhow, we have $1.50 digital. It's at the bottom there. This is a 10-cent item as of this morning. It would give you $1.40 of overage. So if you can still find some Christmas stuff peppered in the merchandise, possibly you can get even more overage for yourself. Now with that $1.50 coupon, let's just say that you find something on clearance that isn't Christmas. This guy is $4.50. So at 50% off of that, it's $2.25. Now, let's not forget we have that digital coupon just to show you a visual. Boom, here it is. So definitely load this guy. It's very useful, this coupon. Grabbing one of those plugs for $2.25, subtracting that $1.50 coupon. Hey, you're paying 75 cents for a double pack of the Airwick scented oil. Okay, now we have the L'Oreal Elvive. I call it the Elvis shampoo. I think it's the worst name for that. Elvive. So this guy's on clearance for $3.60. Now, in the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, we have a $4 off of 2. How nice is this? So we're going to have to find 2 of these shampoos. So be on the lookout for them in the clearance section. Grabbing 2 of them, that's $3.60. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, it makes it free plus 40 cents of overage. Now for your overage, you're going to have to grab something else on clearance to absorb that. They will not pay you cash, but you can get overage over at the Dollar General. It is in fact in their policy, but make sure you have an item to pick up that 40 cents. Okay, this gorgeous bag of Tide Pods. I found it at so many stores. So this is definitely one. The Fresh Coral Blast in this plastic bag. They're trying to get rid of them. I don't know why. So we have this coupon from the January P&G. As you can see, it's expiring on the 30th, so the Saturday, but another one should be showing up on Sunday, but I don't think these bags will still be around by Sunday because people will go hard for Tide. But $3 off. So let's look at the math at 50% off. This bag would be $4.47. Subtracting that $3 from the January P&G, you're left with paying $1.47. Now that coupon's kind of goofy because the laundry list of exclusions and what is included, I don't know if it'll scan for this product because sometimes coupons are kind of weird where they will or will not scan. There's another one from the same insert that's $2 off. So say you can only get the other one to scan, it would be $2.47. I will absolutely be grabbing this item on Friday, so I will let you guys know my findings like Friday afternoonish when I have my haul video up here on YouTube. Now, if Gain is more of your speed, this guy is $3.55. This Tropical Sunrise, I know it's been on clearance for the last couple events, but I found a bunch of it at one store and I was like, what? I don't think people like it. They have the fabric softener, the pods. They're all about the same sort of price range. But if this is your thing, absolutely. And then also this one, which is the botanical, so $3.60, and I think the other ones were $3.55, so 5-cent discrepancy. Okay, so in the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, so a couple weeks back, we have this dollar coupon, and there's so many items that are listed in it. It's like everything and, everything in a ham sandwich. But anyhow, at $1.75, 50% off, that's the price point at like $3.55 or $3.60. It's in that neighborhood. Subtracting $1 coupon, you're left with paying 77 cents for Gain. get some overage throwing in there. You're paying a lot less, but that's the beauty of this sale. Now, this is a larger one. It's called the Gain with Essential Oils. Many stores had this guy on clearance, and it's a much larger container of this for $10.10. So it would be $5.05 starting on Friday. Now, in that same Retail Me Not of January the 17th, there is a $2 coupon that does include this if you read the fine print. And this is valid till the 13th, so you can do this all weekend long and laugh all the way to the bank. Grabbing one of these at $5.05. Subtracting that $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, well, you're left with paying $3.05 for this item. Because it is a higher value, I don't think it's going to fly. So if you wanted to put this on with a 5 off of 25 basket for Saturday, that might be something to consider. The Herbal Essence Bio Renew, this black charcoal one, lots of stores had still a good amount of it. This guy is $5.40. So not the best deal, but, we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. This one is, in fact, expiring on Saturday. So just to give you a quick glance here, that's the coupon. And here's the deal. Grab 2 of them for $5.40 on the nose, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital. You're left with paying $2.40 for the 2 shampoos, basically shaking it out to $1.20 for each. Okay, guys, so in rapid fire fashion, I'm just going to show you what the price points of some of the clearance stuff I was finding at multiple stores. So this is a Dollar General fabric softener. It's probably similar to Downy because they want the bottle to look identical to that. So 50% of this is $1.57 starting on Friday. What a great price point. I mean, that's fantastic. Also, this massive jug of Purex for $2.02. So if you were a newer couponer, I would absolutely stock up on some of these meat and potatoes laundry items because a really great price point for the unit cost of the detergent. Also, we have this Sun, so 107 loads for $2.25. Even if you were just going to use this to wash dog beds or stuff for, you don't use your Tide or fancy stuff to wash down dog beds or, beach towels or whatever, it's still a really great price point. Okay, I was also finding a ton of these that are the little sponges. This one's by Dawn for $1.12. If I had overage, definitely this is an item that I would grab to pick up the overage, along with these little steel mesh scrubbers for 67 cents. Are you freaking kidding me? So a lot of times for these goofy little amounts of overage, this would be absolutely ideal and perfect to grab, and you always need this sort of thing. And then the Mean Green, it's some sort of degreaser multi-purpose cleaner for 90 cents. We don't get a lot of deals for this sort of cleaner, so absolutely. And now we have the Mr. Clean Freak. So this is a refill for $1.35. I mean, that's a great price point considering that we don't see these on, sale much, or we don't see manufacturers. This is a really, really great deal. The Dove hand soap for $1.50. Unless I had overage, this guy would stay at the store because that's still kind of pricey in my book. Just keeping it real. The next round of items are all $1.57 each because they're cleared at $3.15. Unfortunately, we don't have any dial coupons right now. I wish we had a 2 off a 2 or something like that because 57 cents would be magic. But maybe on Sunday something will show up. But if you have some extra overage, this might be something to consider, along with the Old Spice $1.57. Maybe there might be a really nice coupon on Sunday for this one. And then we have the Garnier Whole Blends as well for $1.57. So maybe some coupons might show up. Maybe they won't. We never know. But that's the magic of this. Okay, now some bar soap. We have this giant pack for $2.22. Again, is there any coupons out for this one? That would be really nice to use. And then we also have this Dove shampoo that will be $1.80. So maybe something might show up or it won't. But definitely if you have overage and this is your favorite thing, grab it because, $1.80 isn't the worst price. Now for $2.47, we have a 6-pack of the Olay beauty bars. So, I think you'd have to wait and see what coupons show up on Saturday or Sunday in your PNG, either by the newspaper or digitals. And then the Aveeno, these are really nice makeup wipes for $2.02. It might be harder to track down coupons for that, but you can always make something happen. IBOTTA, coupons.com. Check out all the apps too if there might be rebates for this stuff so you can get extra savings. This double pack of these Febreze plugs for $3.55. And then also in the same scent, we have this guy for $1.87. Maybe there might be a digital coupon, maybe not, but definitely scour those rebate apps too. Maybe. And now we have the Tums for $2.12. I think there was a 75-cent coupon in January in one of the inserts that you could possibly use for this. Still a little bit, considering we're getting those Rolaids for practically free at Meijer, Hey, it's something if you need this. And then this can of vegetables, it's $2, so it'll be down to $1, and it's like, I think, a pound of vegetables, so really good value there. And the last thing I'm going to leave you with, not a lot of candy and food this go around, but you have these Trident Sours for $1.22. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!